Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Justin with Shane Homes out here in Vermilion Hill, and this is our Vilano II show home. Come on in. All right, so first thing you notice when you come in through the front entry is our little foyer here. Perfect with the stairs with a little seat, so when you're putting on your shoes, you don't have to go too far. Of course, in the front, we're gonna have our front coat closet and our half French door. Before we go through the rest of the house, our #1 selling feature for the Vilano II is our additional flex room here on the main floor. Perfect for a main floor bedroom or work from home space. As standard, this home actually comes with a full bathroom on the main floor. This is actually perfect for if this first room here is going to be used as a bedroom. It would have a direct access door so you can go into the bathroom discreetly without needing to go into the hallway. Now moving into the main living space, we of course have our living room here to the left with our beautiful paneling. Also available to have a feature fireplace, which I would certainly do in this location. To the right, we have our dining nook. Our clients love that this nook is separate. Since formal dining rooms are changing and the way that we live in the homes are changing, we didn't want to completely eliminate it, but we did put it off to the side here with a nice open plan so that it doesn't feel tight and constricted. On to one of my favorite features of the home is this beautiful and large L-shaped kitchen. Now, I don't know about you, but I host a lot of game nights and a sink in the island just doesn't work for me. These L-shaped kitchens are great because not only do we get a clear island here with no sink, we actually put the sink here by the window. So when you're washing the dishes and being all doom and gloom from all the cleaning you gotta do, at least you have all this sunlight. So one of the beauties of building new is you do get to choose the interior features for your home. In this kitchen, we do have cabinets to the ceiling and our chimney hood fan, two upgrades that are very common here in our kitchens. Those of you who use the garage a lot, we do have our mudroom here. Now this would be, of course, for direct access from the garage. You're gonna have your coat closet here, a great little spot here. If you've got any dogs, you can put their dishes there, but it's nice and enclosed without a door, so it still feels open, but separate enough from the main part of the house. Okay, let's make our way upstairs. At the top of the stairs, we're met with our flex room or second living room, depending how you want to use it. Now this has changed a little bit from the standard plan. We do have this beautiful TV niche here with a nice art piece. And then of course our sitting space here. Great for the kids. Second bedrooms over here, of course, are nice and close to them. This one is themed for your young daughter. And then in this room, we have a cute little sports room. And just out front of the two secondary bedrooms is of course our shared bathroom with full-size vanity, shower and tub, and of course our toilet. So for this plan, we didn't want to waste even a single square foot of space, so we've tucked away the laundry in this closet. So this isn't just your standard closet laundry. We've actually upgraded this laundry area to have a countertop as well as some cabinetry up top, an upgrade that our clients choose very often. Of course, it wouldn't be a Shane Homes house without storage, so we have our linen closet. So moving on into the primary bedroom, we do have this beautiful feature wall with wood paneling, a chandelier to anchor the middle of the room, fits a king-size bed perfectly, and of course we do have this little bump out, perfect for your morning coffee. Now before we get onto the ensuite, we have to check out this beautiful walk-in closet featuring a beautiful barn door. For this ensuite, we have a couple options. The show home here does show off our optional upgrade to have double vanity sinks with full cabinetry on the bottom. For this home, we've also designed it with a tile shower. This is a standing shower, of course, and it does have a little niche for your supplies. Now, if you are thinking of an investment, doing the basement as a legal suite is one of the easiest ways to make passive income. Let's go take a look. So a must-have for every legal suite is, of course, a separate entrance. This home would have a side entry here, which means that your tenants do not have to come up to the main floor. So one of the biggest misconceptions about basement suites is that all of them are tight, small, and dark. But we're gonna prove you wrong. Come on in. So this suite is basically a micro apartment. It has everything you need on one floor and nothing is missing. You're first greeted by your beautiful L kitchen. I would highly recommend doing a floating island just like this because it acts as a perfect dining table. So you'll notice down here, we've done the same cabinets to the ceiling design as upstairs and used a lot of the same colors from the rest of the home so that everything is nice and cohesive. All right, so moving on to the living space. This has to be my favorite area of the entire home, and it's all because of this beautiful feature fireplace. This living room is actually quite spacious. The single couch we have here just doesn't do it justice. You have plenty of space to fit a full-size sectional, still have an ottoman, and spot for side tables. As I mentioned earlier, we're big on storage, and nothing goes unused. We have storage here under the stairs, and of course our stacked washer and dryer. And at the foot of the bedroom, we do have our full-size bathroom here with a joint shower and tub, as well as a full-size vanity. Now this model does have this legal suite as a 1-bedroom. If you do the 1-bedroom option, it is ginormous, incredibly spacious, and it does have this gigantic exit window. This room is currently set up with a queen bed and 2 nightstands, but you could easily fit a king and still have ample space. And if you're like me and you have a ton of clothes, you're gonna love this full-size walk-in closet. All right guys, thanks for joining me for this show home tour of our Vilano II out here in Vermilion Hill. If you like what you see or you want to build your own, come visit us at the show home at 1296 Alpine Ave. Make sure you ask for Justin.